In the first two installments I talked about using the box design tool and port design tool to design a subwoofer box, and we chose a 2 cubic foot ported design. In this installation I'll talk about using the Enclosure design tool to design the box itself. So we'll click on that tab, and the tool lets us choose either a wedge or a rectangular box, and I'll go with the rectangular. Now, ball thickness, normally that would be 3/4 of an inch, and probably MDF. We can double click on that and it'll put that 0.75 in there because it's the most commonly used value, but you can put whatever value you want. Next, we'll enter the volume of the box that we want, and the design we did was for a 2 cubic foot box, and that's the interior volume of the box. Now, the way that this tool works is you can enter any 3 numbers here and it'll calculate the 4th. So you can enter the volume and any 2 dimensions and it will calculate the 3rd dimension, or you can enter all 3 dimensions and have it calculate the box volume. It's up to you, but for what we're doing now, we want to enter the box volume and have it calculate some of the dimensions. So let me just plug in a couple of numbers here. Let's suppose I've got room in my trunk for a 24-inch wide and maybe 11 inches tall, and let's see how deep it would have to be. 17.67. Well, if we don't like that number, maybe it's not going to fit. You know, we can adjust it a little bit, make it 15 inches, and maybe we could stand a little bit taller. So let's calculate that dimension. Okay, so, and you can adjust this until you're happy, but once you've got the dimensions you like, then you can click on this Show Template button, and it will bring up this, and this is just a cutting diagram for the pieces of MDF, which is medium density fiberboard, and it just all the pieces have dimensions on them, like this front piece right here is F1 by F2, so you would have to cut it to be 12.88 by 15 inches, and this diagram also shows how all the pieces go together once you've cut them.